Most BMW X1 key fob issues start with a simple dead battery. The fob uses CR2032 or CR2450 batteries. To replace, open the fob using a small screwdriver or coin. Replace with new battery, ensure correct polarity, and test the buttons. If battery doesn't fix it, resync the fob with your car. Cycle the ignition, press lock and unlock buttons in sequence, or use iDrive to reprogram. Check your owner's manual for your X1 model specifics. These steps resolve most problems quickly. If battery and resync don't work, the problem might be with the fob's internal antenna or the car's receiver antenna. Weak signal range, like the fob only working when very close to the car, is a key sign. Inspect the antennas for physical damage or corrosion. Cleaning the contacts might help. Note that a 2024 BMW recall affected certain 2018-2021 X1 models due to faulty antennas in humid climates. For newer X1 models, check for over-the-air software updates via the BMW Connected app, as these can sometimes resolve syncing issues. Looking ahead, BMW is moving towards digital keys via smartphone apps, which addresses many common fob problems and enhances security. Keep an eye out for ultra-wideband UWB technology, which provides precise location tracking.